Hello everybody, this is Dr. Aimee with the Drugless Doctors, and I'm joined today with my good friend Julie, and we're going to talk about her experience. So why don't you tell us what your life was like before you came into our office?
Well, the last month prior, the month of before coming in, I got to the point where I was hospitalized 3 or 4 times. I had no idea, honestly, what was wrong. I didn't know. I thought my head was filling with fluid. I couldn't move, I couldn't drive, and for work as a real estate agent, I was pretty much out of commission.
That's pretty miserable.
It was bad.
So what made you decide to come to see us?
My aunt actually, I think you came out maybe to her a work event, and she sent me this form, and it was really, I just found it fascinating. I had no idea that your nervous system and the things in your spine controlled so many things in your body. Mm-hmm. So she sent me that form, and she said, I really liked what I heard. Why don't you give them a call? So I did.
That's great, and we're so glad that you did. Why don't you tell us what your experience has been like since starting care in our office?
So I started coming twice a week, and actually having now started coming less, I'm noticing how much coming more often really changed things. Mm-hmm. Because now I'm to the point where I'm like, I need an adjustment. I really needed it today. I need an adjustment, and
your
I can tell.
Your body knows.
It does. So it has made a huge difference, and especially now that I think my body is healing so much months later, and now I really do notice a difference if I'm not here. I can't say enough how different I feel.
That's wonderful, and we're really excited that we've been able to make a positive difference in your life and in your health. Mm-hmm. What would you tell someone who might be on the fence about chiropractic and not sure if it's for them?
Well, first of all, I think that the folks here are so knowledgeable. Dr. Aimee has explained so many things about how things function and work together, and it's so quick. The adjustments are so quick. It doesn't hurt, it's not painful, and if I say, my right arm feels a little weak, she does something and all of a sudden it works. So I would tell anybody, it's amazing. And not only that, but your practice, the way you guys do things, that it's sort of on the holistic end, and you're not enforcing that you take medicine to fix this. You go to the root of the problem and you get it fixed. So
that's exactly what we're here for. We're looking to improve lives without drugs or surgery by looking for the underlying cause. Mm-hmm. So if you're watching this and you're listening to this and this resonated with you, we are here to help. Please reach out to us at the Drugless Doctors, and we're here for you. Thanks again.
Thank you.